Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate your supporting my channel and watching my videos. What we have today, we got a VW R32, got slightly damage on the near side front wing and the bumper corner, and the headlamp is broken. So we decide to replace wing, bumper repair, and the headlamps. We have to change both of them. The reason is, I know they are expensive, but if you change one and you leave the other one is gonna look old and one is gonna look new. So it's better to replace both of them. If you're happy to spend some money on the car, so it's better to replace both headlamps. Okay, so we're gonna start action on the car and taking the bumper off, the wing off, and we're stripping the door because the door as well need blending to match the color. When you replace the wing and you put a new wing, always you have to blend the next panel and even the A pillar as well. That has to be blended to match the color. Let's start action. It's on the near side, so why you guys stripped the off side as well. So we just received a phone call from the client, and then he said unfortunately he got some rust on the seal panel under the wing. So basically he loves his car. He's happy to spend some money on it just to get it treated, and he's very lucky because the rust is not being gone through, so it's still from the beginning. So we can treat it without cutting the metal and to replace it with a new one. So this is treatable. And the wings as well, he wants to replace the wing because the wing, as you're gonna see now, it's rusty as well. So I said to the guy, I'm not gonna repair the wing, it's quite bad, so that has to be replaced. If you wanna repair it after 5 months, that rust will come back again. So as you can see, start bubbles here, so it's better to get it replaced. It's not a good idea to repair that wing. You're just spending your money and wasting your money for no reason. After 5-6 months you have to replace it and blend the door again. So that's why we stripped the both sides. I want to show you the other side as well. As you can see, a little rust, not a lot, but has to be done now while we repairing the car in one time. And this is the idea of stripping the whole front. Doesn't need a lot, just a little bit. this is the other side, as I said. So the client is very lucky because he just do it now and spot it now. Otherwise, if it's gonna leave it long, it will be more worse. Said doors must be blended to match the color. So basically that trim has to come off. The most of the car, the trims comes off from here. So you put like a plastic trim and you take it nicely without damaging it. But this particular model, VW Mark V, you have to take the skin off, so you will be able to take the trim off. As you can see this side, the skin is being taken off. So when we take the skin off, you will see these clips is here. You got 5 of them or 6 of them. Once you take the clips off, the trim will be blending as the bumper has been repaired. Wings. Of course, we decide to take the doors off to have a better and good finishing on the seals with the rust used to be. Skins, painting. Very nice, very shiny. Doesn't need even polish, just fitting the car back on. And only polish needed just where we fade it, blend it here. You can see it unshiny, so this is the only place we need to polish. The rest is absolutely perfect. job being completed now. Put the new wing. Color match is absolutely perfect, fine. And the door as well, you can see the gaps, all the gaps perfect. The bumpers being repaired, put it back on, of course wing replaced. Full bumper being repaired. That's the other wing being replaced. As we mentioned from the beginning, 2 headlamps being replaced as well. That's been blended as well, absolutely perfect and nice. And then this side, seal panel is being replaced, rust treated, primed paint. So this is the result of the R32. Appreciate your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much, guys.